Welcome back, fam, and welcome back to the Von Regan kitchen. And I have a special guest today, my favorite son, William. Will, what are we gonna make today?
Strawberry cheesecake bites.
And that's exactly what we're making. We are making red, white, and blue strawberry cheesecake delights. And they are yummy. Do you like them a lot, buddy?
Yeah, they're real good.
So, William, there's a holiday coming up that these strawberries are perfect for. Do you know what that is?
4th of July.
You're right. Why are they perfect for 4th of July?
Because you shoot fireworks on 4th of July. They look like fireworks.
Cool. And they're also red, white, and blue. The great thing about this recipe is it uses a few ingredients and it's fast and very flavorful. But also, the other great thing about this recipe is I get to try a bunch of my new gadgets today. So William and I are gonna test out our new strawberry stemmer.
I use this straw.
Oh, you wanna do that strawberry? Okay, so we can do that in a minute. I'm gonna teach you how to use the strawberry stemmer. I also have my new cake decorating tool, and my mixer broke this past week, so I had to buy a new mixer, so I upgraded my mixer. And I have my lovely French pearl Lennox plates and bowls that I love. The first step of this recipe is to clean your strawberries and then to de-stem them. Now I've de-stemmed most of them, but I'm gonna show you how to use the strawberry gem stem, they call it, or strawberry de-stemmer. So I like to pull all of the green top part of the strawberry together to make it easier. So you see how I did that, buddy? Because you're gonna do the second one. And then you press the button and it opens up this. So you press the button, see that? So you wanna actually start in this position when you de-stem your strawberry. And then you're gonna plop it right where the green is on your strawberry with the button pushed, and then you're gonna twist and it de-stems everything. What do you think?
It looks.
It's cool, right? Now, the second thing that we do though is we take one of our paring knives, and I just laid out the 3 paring knives that I got recently. These are really great paring knives.
It looks like Minecraft in one stone. It looks like redstone.
It does? So he loves the geometric shapes on the knife, but these paring knives were only $10 on Amazon for 3 of them. And you just wanna take the tip off so it sits flat on the plate. And then I have this little cup here that I've been putting the tips in, and William polished off all the tips right before we started the video. Okay, so it's your turn now to do this. So you're gonna press it like this, but remember, what are you gonna do first to the strawberry stem?
Put it in the middle.
Gather it all together, right? Tighten it up. Okay. Now, do you want me to hold the strawberry while you do this?
Yeah.
Okay. So then you're gonna push the button and you wanna line it up and then twist. You did it. Great job. There's a little piece left, and that happens sometimes where you have the little bit of green left, so you just take it again and just get that little bit of extra. There you go.
But what's going inside of it?
It's gonna be a cream cheese cheesecake filling. Good question. The next step is we're gonna mix these 4 ingredients in our mixing bowl for the cream cheese cheesecakey filling. So William's gonna tell us what the ingredients are. What's this?
Vanilla, salt,
Sugar.
heavy cream, and cream cheese.
That does look kind of like salt though. So it was vanilla, sugar, heavy cream.
And cream cheese.
Good job, high five, you got it. So good. And William is over there chowing on the tops to the strawberry heads, or the bottoms. It's a superfood, so it's a great snack for your kids to eat as you are making these strawberries. Is it delicious? Delicious and nutritious, right? These 4 ingredients now get dumped into our stainless bowl, and William wants to dump them, right? Okay, so start with the cream cheese. Hold the bowl carefully. No, and I'll hold this bowl and you dump them in. Just dump it in. Here, I got it. There you go. Put it aside.
I want to.
Okay. Okay, be careful not to dump it on the strawberries. Great job. And then just,
The vanilla smells good.
it smells so good, doesn't it? I love the smell of vanilla. Heavy cream, be careful, this is pretty full. Dump it in. Perfect. You're an expert. Thank you. Okay, so all of our ingredients are in our bowl.
And I want to mix it.
And right, what's next?
To mix it.
Mix it with the mixer. Let Mom get it started, okay? So I'm gonna get it started and then you can do the final mixing, okay? Sound good? Pound it. Great job, buddy.
Oh, that's a power tool.
Is that your new plate tool you want? What are you gonna do with it?
Mix something.
Mix something with it?
Smells like cake.
Okay, well, thank you for mixing it up. So our cream cheese filling is all mixed up, but what's the best part of cooking?
Licking it.
Licking it? Yeah, I agree. Taste testing. Do you want to lick one of the beaters? You can be my taste tester and tell me how the filling tastes. I'm gonna taste test it now. Delicious. How does it taste, buddy?
Vanilla and creamy.
Nice, I agree. I think it's the perfect sugariness and creaminess with just a hint of vanilla. This next step is using the Wilton decorator to put the cream cheese filling in. Using this gadget makes this next step of stuffing the strawberries super easy. So you can check out the link in my description of this video to see how to get the gadget. So I'm gonna scoop the cream cheese filling. So we're putting the cream cheese filling into our decorator gadget.
You need to go down more.
It does need to go down more, you're right. William's an expert at this, and he's gonna help me in a minute, right? Now what we need to do is fit this tip in to push the cream cheese filling through. Then you want to push this tip, the purple twisty part, twist it. And then the first part is,
I want to do it.
okay, you can do it in a minute. You push this little button here and that fills them up. So I'm gonna do a couple and then you can do a couple. So we're just pushing the button. It makes it so smooth and easy. I can't tell you. I had another tool like this that was not as easy. This comes out so smooth. This just pushing this button is so easy. And it comes with different tips. So you can do different cake decorating things with this. So buddy, you wanna try? You want me to hold it while you push the button?
No.
Or you wanna hold it too? Okay, now line it up. See how you line the tip up with the strawberry? And then you're gonna push the button. Push the button.
I want to hold it.
You wanna hold it? Okay. You gotta hold your hand steady though.
Okay.
Put a little bit more in this one for me. Okay, perfect. Okay, you got it? Fill it up. Wow, you're gonna be able to make these without me soon. Perfect. Great job, bud. So when it gets to a certain point, you can't, you can also use the top and push it down.
I want to start putting blueberries in.
Okay, let's finish filling all the cream cheese first. And then the next step would be the graham cracker crumbles. We're gonna finish this and we'll be right back. The two finishing touches to this recipe are graham cracker crushed crumbles and blueberries, which I think is William's favorite part. Are the blueberries your favorite? So my kids have given me feedback on this recipe. They like a nice amount of graham cracker crumbles because it makes it taste more cheesecakey, and just they like that graham cracker crumble taste. So we're gonna sprinkle a generous amount of graham cracker crumbles on each strawberry and cream cheese filled bite. Good job, buddy. Put a good amount on each one. You know just what to do. I think you'll be making these for mommy soon on your own. And I only had to crush 1 graham cracker, and we used about 2 16-ounce packs of strawberries. I think William's been eating some as we've been doing this, so not quite 2 16-ounce packs. So you'll get anywhere from 30 to 40 strawberries with the 2 16-ounce packs, depending on how big the strawberries are. The final step is what, bud?
The strawberry.
The strawberries?
I mean the blueberry.
I knew what you meant. The final step is putting a blueberry on each strawberry. Top it off. Do you want to do it, or you want me to help you? You want to do them all?
Do it.
You want to do them all? Put it right in the center. Perfect. And you can eat a few as you're doing it. Just don't lick your fingers. Will and I have finished our red, white, and blue strawberry cheesecake delights. Look how beautiful. We're ready to try them. William can't wait. You have to tell me what you think, okay? Go ahead, dig in. I think I want a little one. What do you think? Good?
The cheesecake.
It tastes really nice and light.
It tastes like cheesecake with strawberries and blueberries in it.
So it's light and fresh and creamy. I think you said creamy earlier, right? Nice and creamy. I think it's the perfect sweet, but you know how strawberries have that little bit of a soury good taste though? With a sweet, light, fresh, but a little sour taste. It's 2 thumbs up.
2.
That's the recipe for the day from the Von Regan kitchen. Don't forget though, stop for a moment, subscribe, hit the like button to this video, and comment below with what recipe that you want to see next. Bye for now, fam.